Hello and welcome to Meet the Environment, the show that teaches you interesting facts of our planet. Today we are going to do a top 10 video of interesting facts of nature. So let's go. 85% of plant life is found in the ocean, and every general science teacher has been teaching the students that the Amazon forest has the maximum amount of vegetation. Not only does it enable animals to live, oxygen can also turn a lobster's colorless blood to blue when exposed to oxygen. Lemons are known to contain more sugar than strawberries. Nature has also provided man with different creatures carrying the same level of uniqueness, such as electric eels that are capable of venting a discharge of 600 volts. The largest individual flower on Earth is from a plant called Rafflesia annulli. Its flowers reach up to 1 meter, 3 feet, in diameter and weigh around 10 kilos. During the summer months, mice will generally live outside and remain confronted there, but with a drop in the temperature, they seek the warmth of oases. Thanks to their soft skulls and warning activity, a size of a ballpoint point, 6 mm, is large enough for them to enter. Once inside, they constantly nibble in virtually anything, including concrete, lead and plastic, so as to keep their ever-growing teeth at a convenient length. Goats have horizontal slits which are nearly rectangular when amplified, giving the goats a vision covering 3020-3040 degrees, which means they can see virtually all around them without having to move. These are handicapped with 2 blind spots. The first is directly in front of them, and the other is directly behind their head. Thanks for watching this video. Please click the like and subscribe button and comment if you have liked this video. See ya!